How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first thing you want to do is open up your WhatsApp, and then you have to make sure that you have not archived any chats, because sometimes if you're trying to find a particular chat, so, let's say like this, what happens usually is if you swipe on the chat, if you're on an iOS device, it will archive the chat like this. So in most cases, your deleted chats, you could find them on your archive. And if you want to bring them back to your normal inbox, just unarchive them. This is the first method. The second method is to actually check for your backup. So just tap on settings menu here, head over to settings. And then tap on chats, tap on chat backup. Now, if you have any backup here, just tap on backup the chat. And you have to make sure that you have backed up the chat previously. And if you have backed up your chats, even if you have deleted something, for example this, then it will still be on your backup for some days. So if you just go ahead and refresh your WhatsApp and then log in back again, it will ask you to recover your chats and load all of the backups. Then your deleted chats might also be loaded right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.